FreeBSD reviews, tutorials and gaming.
Fetch is a command line application that is included in the base FreeBSD install and has been in it since version 2.15. Because Fetch is in the base system, it can be used straight away without having to install any additional programs such as wget. The libfetch ABI is available to any application that wants to use it, and indeed the portsnap utility that updates the ports tree uses fetch and libfetch. Usage is very simple. In the terminal, type fetch and then HTTP, the address that you need and the file that you want to retrieve. This default usage will be fine for many users, but there are plenty of options available for fetch to be used to alter its behavior. The main ones of interest are one file, retry, direct, verbose and restart. Many of these are self-explanatory, but one file means it just stops after the first download. Retry means if it's a failure in downloading, it will retry straight away automatically. Direct, that means if you're behind a proxy, you will connect directly to the server that you want to retrieve the file from. Verbose, of course, means increase the output details so you can see what's going on. And restart, for any reason that you have interrupted a download, then this will enable you to restart it straight away. I find Fetch to be an incredibly useful little program. It's helped me out of a lot of sticky situations in the past, and it's often overlooked in favour of perhaps more by people who get used to using wget from the Linux world. And there's nothing wrong with wget. I think it's a fantastic way to download things in the same way that Fetch is. But Fetch has an affinity to me because it's a native FreeBSD program which comes with the operating system, and that's always a bonus. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll catch you next time.